If you're experiencing any kind of hair loss, you need this book or audio. Why? Because now there's new technology on how to first stop additional hair loss, and secondly, on how to make your hair fuller, but while keeping your own hair safe, healthy, and growing free. Plus, on how to use all of your own hair. If you have any interest in the book, audio, or finding out more information, fill out the form below. Plus, you can also click on the link. It'll bring you to Amazon where you can get the book or audio, and it's only $8. I can't overemphasize the great importance in looking into this technology or getting the book or audio if you have any experience whatsoever with any kind of hair loss. Thank you.